To save a few seconds, I already graphed both the function and the inverse, but the question number 6 says use x equals -3, -2, 0, 1, and 2 to graph the function f of x equals 2 to the x. Then graph the inverse. Then describe the domain and range of the inverse function. So again, I plugged in each of those values in into our original function, giving us these blue numbers here, and thus also this blue graph over here. And then I also just flipped the x and the y's, just like we did earlier. Flip the x and the y values, your inputs and your outputs, to get your inverse. Now I want to talk domain and range. Domain, as per usual, is talking about all possible x values of our red graph. So still talking about the x values. And our lowest x value, in this case, it's going to get really close to 0, but never quite get there. But it's going to be everything bigger than 0. So we're just going to say our x values are greater than 0. Again, it never touches x equals 0. It never touches the y-axis, but it gets really, really close. Our range, in this case, still talking about our y's, but in this case, it goes up forever, goes down forever. We're just going to say y is an element of the reals. It's any real number you can think of. I have a y value there. The graph goes down forever over here, and it's going to keep on going up forever and ever and ever this way as well.